Alright, here's what I'm using to weld up the mower. 90 amp flux wire welder, 120 volt. Got it from Harbor Freight. They're having a deal for 85 bucks. So we'll see how it works. Hopefully it has enough strength to, weld the 3/16 inch steel on my right mower. It says it gets up to that level, or thickness. I was reading some reviews, just go slower, put the wire feed speed up a little bit higher on max power, and I should be okay. I've never welded before, so the last time I did it was in high school just for a welding class. But we'll see how well I do. First impression out of the box, looks like it's packaged pretty well. I'm assuming this is the flex core welding wire. Let's see, we got your hammer and brush to get off the slag, some kind of handle, another handle on the other side, I guess. What's this guy? Oh, I think this is the face shield. They come with a handheld face shield. Can't get that out right now one-handed. Let's see. Put this down for a second, take this out. Well, here's your face shield. Looks pretty flimsy, kind of crappy. We'll see how that works. I don't have one, so I'll definitely be using it. Back of the unit's all plain. Front of the side there, and into the front. Not sure why that's on there. Alright, looks like you got your welder and your welder tip. On, off, min, max, wire speed, grounding clamp, and then, like I said, this is only a 120 volt. So it just plugs into your stand. I'm just a regular homeowner, and like I said, I don't certainly do any welding. Haven't since high school. But overall, I'm impressed with the little Harbor Freight $85 90 amp 120 volt welder, flux core welder. It's interesting, playing around with the different settings for speed and min-max. I actually never used the min-max button. It was always on max. But the speed, to get used to it, of course, I was on slower speed, 2 to 3. When I started getting pretty good, or, well, what I consider pretty good, jumped it up to about 7 or 8. And for the 3/16 inch steel, I think, the higher 16th inch steel, I think the higher speed was better. You get more material pushing through there. It helps with the welds, but overall satisfied.